How to send responders a copy of their Google Form response. This tutorial shows you how to let people receive their own answers by email after submitting. First, open your browser and go to forms.google.com. After that, sign in to your Google account. From there, open the form you want to edit. At this point, click on the Settings tab at the top. In the next step, scroll down to the Responses section. Following this, click on Responses to expand the options. Once done, toggle on Collect Email Addresses, since this is required before you can send a copy of responses. From here, still within this section, look for Respondent can receive a copy of their response. At this stage, click on this option and select either Always or Only if requested. Keep in mind, choosing Always automatically emails a copy to every respondent, while Only if requested lets them choose this option themselves after submitting. Finally, click Save, then test it by submitting the form yourself to confirm the confirmation email arrives correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you send responders a copy of their Google Form response, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.